Okay, watch this. I got this DVD. The title on the side is small and in the middle of the spine, so I take out the paper and I'm going to cut along this part here, and then I'll cut along this part here, and then I'll take a little off the front, and now I take one of these thin cases and put it in like that. Oh, and actually I'll just take a little more off the front so that the title will line up better in the spine. This movie is now half the width. The thinner cases I got from some TV show box sets I decided to put in a CD binder because I didn't care for having a good chunk of my shelf occupied by large TV show boxes anyways. I just like having a shelf of movies. But as time goes by and I move a few times, it's nice to squeeze my collection into a smaller shelf. But I still want to have a cover and the ability to read the title on the side. So I only did some movies where the text would fit nicely on a thin case. So there, try this out if you can track down some thin cases, because yeah, having a shelf of movies is cool, but years down the road you won't care if some of the titles aren't in a wide case, as long as you can still pick out a movie to watch off the shelf.